you ever walked into a room and felt completely invisible? You talk, people barely listen. You share ideas, someone else gets the credit. You're right there and somehow nobody notices. That's not bad luck. That's not your personality. That's a signal, and your body is sending it every single day without you even knowing. Today, I'm going to show you 7 psychological tricks that will make people respect you instantly. Your boss, your friends, complete strangers, everyone. And trick number 4 is the one most people will never discover because nobody talks about it. Stay with me. Welcome. If you're new here, this channel is about one thing, giving you the real psychology behind human behavior so you can stop being overlooked and start being undeniable. No fluff, no motivation quotes, just science that actually works. Let's get into it. Trick 01, the power pause. Here's something that will make you uncomfortable. Every time you rush to answer someone's question, you're telling them you need their approval. Think about the most respected person you know. Do they frantically respond, or do they pause, think, and then speak with complete certainty? Are you someone who tries to immediately answer every single question that comes your way? Because if you do, people already see you as someone who needs their validation. Fix. Before you respond, pause 2 full seconds. That silence alone commands more respect than any word you could say. Trick 02. The stillness code. Nervous people move constantly. They fidget, they touch their face, they nod too quickly, they laugh too quickly. Does that sound familiar? Because if it does, people around you have already subconsciously labeled you as someone who is unsure of themselves. High respect people are still. Their hands don't shake, their eyes don't dart, their body says, I am exactly where I am supposed to be. Fix. Next conversation, keep your hands completely still. No fidgeting, no nodding repeatedly. Just calm, powerful stillness. Watch how people's entire tone changes toward you. Trick 03. Speak less, mean more. There is a person in your life who talks constantly, always explaining, always justifying, always filling silence, and there is 0 chance that person commands deep respect in any room. 0. Respect does not go to the loudest person. It goes to the person whose every word carries weight because they don't waste them. Fix. Cut your sentences in half. Say what you mean, then stop talking. The discomfort of silence is where your power lives. Trick 04. The validation detox. Every time you laugh at something that isn't funny just to fit in, every time you change your opinion because someone pushed back, every time you say sorry when you did nothing wrong, you're training people around you to disrespect you, slowly, silently, and they don't even realize they're doing it. Think about the last week. How many times did you agree with something you actually disagree with, just to avoid conflict? That habit is costing you more respect than anything else on this list. Fix. Next time someone says something you disagree with, don't attack. Just calmly say, I see it differently. 4 words, that's it. Watch the room shift. Trick 05. The eye contact rule. Most people break eye contact the moment it gets slightly uncomfortable, and that one moment tells the other person everything they need to know about your confidence level. Think about your last important conversation. Did you hold eye contact, or did you look away first? Because whoever looks away first loses the frame, every time. Fix. Hold eye contact 70% of the time while listening, 100% of the time while making a key point. Don't stare, just don't run. That alone separates you from 90% of people in any room. Trick 06. Walk like the room is yours. Before you say a single word, before anyone hears your voice, people have already formed an opinion about you. Your walk, your posture, your entry. Do you walk into rooms with your head down and your shoulders caved in? Because if you do, you've already lost the respect game before it even started. Fix. Chin parallel to the floor, shoulders back, not stiff, just open. Walk at your pace, not rushed. Own every step. Respect follows people who look like they belong everywhere. Trick 07. The name power. Harvard psychologists found that the sweetest sound to any human being is the sound of their own name. But most people are so focused on what they want to say next, they forget the name of the person they just met. And that person feels it. They feel like they don't matter to you, and they will never fully respect someone who makes them feel invisible. Fix. Use someone's name once within the first 30 seconds of meeting them, and once more before you leave. 2 times. That's all it takes to make someone feel seen, valued, and connected to you. Here are your 7 tricks, one more time. 1. The power pause. Wait 2 seconds before responding. 2. The stillness code. Stop fidgeting. Be calm. 3. Speak less, mean more. Cut your words in half. 4. The validation detox. Stop agreeing when you disagree. 5. The eye contact rule. Don't look away first. 6. Walk like the room is yours. Posture and pace, own it. 7. The name power. Use their name. Make them feel seen. You don't need all 7 today. Pick 2, start tomorrow, and I promise you, people will treat you differently within a week. Before you go, I want to ask you something. Which one of these 7 tricks hit you the hardest? Which one made you think, I've been doing this wrong my entire life? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. And if this video gave you even one thing you didn't have before, share it. Send it to someone who deserves to be respected but doesn't know how to make it happen yet. They'll thank you for it. Until next time, walk tall, speak less, and command every room you walk into. I'll see you in the next one.